soldering, engraving, repairs. Therma-Boost, the universal soldering iron with the brand new boost technology from Vela. In standard operating mode at 30 watts, Therma-Boost is ideal for repairing or mending synthetic materials or laminate, for example. With Therma-Boost, you can cut polystyrene, foam and ropes. When cutting ropes, it goes without saying that the rope ends are also welded by the Vela multi-talent. You want to engrave something? Therma-Boost is the ideal tool for this too. You need more power for soldering? Push the Therma-Boost trigger and immediately 130 watts will heat Therma-Boost up to 510 degrees Celsius. Enough to handle all types of soldering. The new Therma-Boost, the state-of-the-art tool with 6 multifunction tips for durable results in countless applications.